jog parameter setting. Parameter 1-13 for jog acceleration time. We set here 2 seconds, and 1-14 for jog frequency. We set here 5 Hz for jog frequency, and 1-22 for jog deceleration time. We set here 1 second jog deceleration time. That means for jog acceleration it will take 2 seconds, and for deceleration it will take 1 second. We push jog button and inverter running in 5 Hz frequency, where acceleration time was 2 seconds and deceleration 1 second. Jog button is working, and when we press jog it goes to parameter in 5 Hz. You can run also by using multifunction input externally by 5 Hz. We press here jog button and it's run in with 5 Hz frequency. So you can set a jog parameter and frequency like acceleration and deceleration time.